In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a whiteboard animation video in Canva. Let's dive right in and explore just how easy it is to bring your ideas to life with this versatile tool. First, we want to access Canva. If you haven't visited Canva before, just open your browser and head over to Canva's homepage. It's a fantastic place where you can let your creative juices flow. Once you're on the site, if you don't have an account, take a moment to sign up. It's quick and free. For those with accounts, go ahead and log in. Now that you have access, you'll see the Create a Design button beckoning to you at the top of the homepage. Simply click on that and you'll be presented with several design options. Scroll through until you find Whiteboard. Click it and you'll be whisked away to a blank canvas where you can start working your magic. This whiteboard format is perfect for sketch-like animations, giving it that educational and engaging touch. With your whiteboard open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is known as the Apps panel. From here, choose the Magic Media option. Magic Media is Canva's way of putting some sparkle in your designs, with a mix of animation and flexibility. By selecting this, you open new possibilities for making your whiteboard truly shine. Next up, let's select text to video. This feature is powerful and easy to use, particularly if you want to convert your text ideas directly into videos without fussing too much about the design process. Click on text to video and you'll notice that a new window will prompt you to input your text. Now, this is where your creativity comes into play. Think about the animation you'd like to create and type your prompt into the text box. It could be anything from a catchy phrase to a brief script reflecting what you wish to visualize in your animation. Be concise but descriptive enough so Magic Media knows where to go with your ideas. Once you've typed your prompt, hit Generate Animation. This step is where the magic truly happens. Canva will process your input and produce an engaging animation that conveys your message or lesson. You can tweak the animation using various options that Canva offers until it's perfect for your needs. Let's not forget about adding some voice to your visuals. If your animation calls for it, hover over to the voiceover section. Adding a voiceover can bring another layer of depth to your animation, and you can further enhance it by incorporating presenter notes. These notes can serve as a guide or highlight key points you want your audience not to miss. Finally, with everything looking good and sounding great, it's time to share your masterpiece. Click on the Share button and choose to download your creation as an MP4 file. Now, you're ready to distribute your animation across any platform, reaching your audience in a fresh and dynamic way. And there you have it, your very own whiteboard animation video made effortlessly in Canva.